Hello, Miss Quinn, my writer. Happy Friday. Are you ready to do some writing? I'm here for Writer's Workshop. Okay, so let's wow mom or dad. Can you prepare for Writer's Workshop? While you prepare, press pause, freeze Mrs. Torres, go prepare, come right back. Did you prepare? You got out your yellow folder? Your writing? Your pencil? Okay, so today, I don't know if you got out one you're working on or a new one, but I'm going to challenge you to make a new one. Today in class, we reviewed our pattern book things, the things we need, and we did some brainstorming. Brainstorming is when you think of ideas. So I'm going to show you. We noticed that some friends were missing some key pieces to their show and tell books. So Mrs. Torres went right to work and tried to make a little something to help us so we're not missing anything. So this says to write a show and tell book. The first thing we have to do is to think of something. It's pretty big. What do we have to think of? A big idea. We have to think of a big idea, something our whole book would be about. And then we thought of some ideas together at the rug that we might not have used yet. So we thought of like ocean creatures because we had to play a little game and we were playing and they were trying to guess my ocean creature. And we thought of farm animals and zoo animals. You could make a book. And Mrs. Torres thought of candy. You could make a book about candy. That sounds yummy. Oops. I think we thought of our families. You could do a book about your house. You could do a book about different kinds of desserts. So we thought of a whole bunch of different big ideas. Farm animals, zoo animals, ocean creatures. And then I said, I think I want to make a book about ocean creatures because I was into ocean creatures today. So then after you think of your big idea, you have to tell all of, it's not one big light bulb. See all the little light bulbs? You have to tell all the little ideas. So then we thought of the ocean creatures that I could put in my book. I could put a shark or a jellyfish or a starfish or a sea turtle or a dolphin. They listed 10 different ocean creatures. And I said, oh, I can't do that. And they said, why not? I said, my book only has 3 pages. And then you know what they told me? I can add more pages to my book. I could make a book with 10 pages. Isn't that cool? So I got very excited. All right, so we have a big idea. I'm going to do ocean creatures. Do you have one yet? What could you make a book about? And then we have to think of little ideas. Do you have little ideas? And there's one more job before we go off to write. Are you ready? We have to pick a pattern. What? Can I show you what I mean? You're going to pick a pattern for your book. So hold that thought. I'm going to show you. I have a little something to help us. Ready? Look what I have. Do you know what this word is? I. This is a new one. It. Is. This is one we talked about. We haven't added it yet, but we probably should. This, because Mrs. Bjorkman used it in her book, right? Here's another one we know. C and A. We can use our snap words to make a pattern for our book. So if I'm doing ocean creatures, I could do I see a shark. I see a starfish. I see a jellyfish. I could even add 2 sentences. I could write, I see a shark. It is gray. I see a starfish. It is bumpy. I see a jellyfish. It is squishy. Once I have my pattern, I'm totally ready. I'm gonna write about ocean creatures. I know on this first page, I'm doing a shark. So I'm gonna draw my shark and I'm gonna write, I see a shark. All right. So your job today, you don't have to do the whole book. 10 minutes of drawing time. I bet mom has a timer or dad. 10 minutes of writing time. Work on a new pattern book, a new show and tell book. And then can you make a video and tell me about what you did? Now, you're at home and you're all by yourself. So guess what? If you're having fun and you want to write or draw for longer than 10 minutes, totally okay. But you don't have to. But you want to write for at least 10 minutes, but you can do more if you're ready to do more. Okay? I can't wait to see your writing. Have fun. Can't wait to see what you pick.